there's the smoke. That's what I was looking for.
Okay, this time we're experimenting with wood. We see some smoke.
What did you do? Did you up the power?
I went 100% power and 60% speed. It was like at 80 power, 70 speed. But in this case, wood, typically you want some relief in the wood, whatever that means. And
you want it to burn it a little bit longer to give it the darker finish.
Yeah, and it really depends on the wood itself. This is just framing material. It's a soft wood, as you know, and it doesn't turn as dark as hardwood will. Hardwood will actually get darker.
But it smells nice.
Yeah, it smells like a chimney.
Yeah, exactly.
Fireplace.
Wow.
Wow.